Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, line in the darkness. I know that is who you are. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't know the girl MELICASKYLIFE from the building. Yo, that's Crickneck. I wanted them. Guys, in today's video, check out this drip. I really like this streak here. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna talk about, from you see the title, I'm not gonna talk about why I cut my hair. Now I can pose like this. My always sitting girl like so. Yeah, I did. Anyways, I think this is called a tapered cut. I'm not so sure. I'm just telling Bob what I want. But I decided to cut my hair because I'm really depressed and I wanted to find my strength. I'm joking. Cut. The reason why I cut my hair is it was really damaged, and I couldn't bother with it no more. And oftentimes the grease, a lot of grease in my hair, and when I sweat, I have very sensitive skin. My skin start get bump up, and when I get bumps, I get really dark spots. So I'm trying to cut down on that. Also, when I used to hold my hair to like catch it up, it like does not tear out in my hand. I couldn't stand to see it. What else? When I catch it up the sides, them pick off. From Punki cut off one side of my head, my hair was picked off, and I was struggling with it to like try to get it back correct and stuff like that. And I really wanted to just, my friend is Stephanie Heavens. I really wanted to just go natural, because one of the things that I want to do my hair is lock it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet, but I have been strongly considering it. I must say, when I first got my cut, I was really scared, because you don't know, ladies generally believe that your hair is what brings your beauty, but I've said it before on the channel, your beauty comes from within, especially with a smile. Comes from within. So I was really scared though to go that low with my hair, for no so we can go catch up in a one if or nothing. And so when the barber cut it, this is my second cut. When the barber cut it, me top in your face, Stephanie. What up, black girl? When the want do one comparison with the don't move. When the barber cut it the first time, I was like, stop right there. Stop right there. So like he cut it down low and cut off all the cream ends, but me said stop right there. So stop right there. So because I was scared that it was going to go too low. So I never cut good. A lot of cream ends when did it, and I never like it. So yesterday I got my second cut, and I got a line, and I got real dripping. I got really dripping, and from me get him start using my coconut oil. My ear now, I have a real strong African ear, really dry. Punki come, let me show you a comparison. I have really dry, strong African nigga ear. Step, tell when I'm recording. Melissa, I'm coming. This is gonna turn into a MukBang. Tintin, is it fish? Fish?
My name is
Anyways, come here. Me I tell him that I have real strong African ear, not like Punki ear what can make baby here. Come here. Punki ear what can make baby here. Come show them baby hair, and nice hair. My hair, you have to really focus on it. So can I beg a little ketchup? Please. No. Stephanie, please.
No.
I did damage. So come here, come say hi to the vlog.
Goose.
So what's up?
Hi.
Tell me they got just put on upside down.
What?
Yes, upside down. Everything we eat ketchup except soup, with soup. So when I cut it off the first time, I started to use all natural coconut oil. Me never know say coconut oil make your ear stiff. Really I straighten it. So me did that one that say, oh come my ears so dry, Punki, me not understand this.
Gagoose.
Come.
Gagoose.
You have to know. I don't want to say how my ears are dry and tough and sitting, but the coconut oil, all natural 100% is hold my ears so very strong. I will be coming out with a line of
Hi
it.
guys.
All natural,
Video.
all natural coconut oil and also castor oil and rosemary oil for the hair. So me get one curl something for put in there. Curl activator, you want more? Eat carrot. Carrot. All natural. One curl activator, but as I tell you about my ear, curl them not really coming nice. I don't know. If it's because of the type of ear I have, I'm belting. So what me I eat now? Rice and peas, fish. Cause I don't know, so me I try to eat right. And vegetable. It's on okra. Just an okra tawin.
I'm gonna eat it.
You sure? Yes, man. Good for you. Good for your skin. What is? Mmm. Nice. What you want? Tell me what you want, my dear please. What? Vegetable?
Rice and vegetable.
Tawin love vegetable. First baby when I say I love vegetable. So come. Alright, hot? Yeah. So when I cut my hair like for 3 weeks now. All my family them did know. For 3 weeks, Stephanie. I got 3 weeks now. Nobody never know. All my family can.
No, let me eat not this one.
Darwin, stop the noise in my video. All of my family, where we go to school, I work. But the other day I had an exam and I wear one of my Skylife hat to school. Me never know so you can wear. Me never know so you can wear hat in an exam. It ear never comb, nothing. The person who oversee exam. What we tell them?
So guys, I am the pencil.
Mind the bone joke you. What did I say again? Carrie, you remember? What that's so bad. I wish someone could come over my house and taste my mother cooking and my grandmother cooking. Not to mention my grandmother. Real authentic Jamaican
But
food.
alarms.
Sorry, remove.
Remove that.
Me a mash on your food wicked. Me a come, me a sick.
Hey guys, I am eating food.
You look nice, huh? You like my cup? You like my line around here? A two line me did want, you know, but Baba will look stressed out, so I just
Yeah, pay you. So you know matter being stresses right now.
I like how you do this time. I can't already start right now. No? Oh, so what I was saying to you guys, from I cut off my ear 2 to 3 weeks now, I never wear it out of work yet. I always wear a wig. So with that cut here now, comment below if you don't think you can wear it at work, you know. Can you see?
Because I am goggles.
You have to put the line in there.
We are alien.
Two.
We are alien.
Two line.
You have to put the line in there more.
Make it brighter.
Yeah, make it more. Boy. You cut.
So, some of the signs to look. Some other signs you need to see. Notice when a time you need, maybe a time you need to cut off the ear.
Hi, Challenger.
1, if the ear side them peel out, maybe you need to cut off the ear.
Cut off.
2, if your ear a tear out when you are coming. If your ear a tear out when you are coming, you need to consider starting fresh and cut off your ear. Come. And 3. If you just don't comfortable without the or your ear looking, chances are you just need to cut off and start fresh. I'm planning to go natural and also maybe to lock it. I don't know yet.
Guys, I have my goggles.
Don't mind talking in the background. Mash down the food already.
Yeah, don't eat it.
No, give mommy.
Mommy? Mommy? Mommy?
Come. Okay. Those are the signs. You want piece of fish now?
Yep. And vegetable.
And vegetable?
The fish and vegetable.
Eat piece of it first.
Yummy, yummy.
Please remember to give this video a thumbs up.
Delicious.
Are you Darren?
Delicious.
Oh?
Delicious.
Okay, Darren said it's delicious. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Tell them for us, huh? Hit that subscription button. Share with a friend. You like my haircut? You like how my hair look?
Yep.
Okay, I love it too. So, tell a friend to subscribe. Big up Mama for your food.
Yeah, that here showing you are the friend of the go place.
Want more vegetables?
That would be a really good content. So I'm really curious down on Philippines or even to review and support before they like this.
Guys, the food is
Punki, me tell us say, one boy I start a YouTube channel powered by me, and that him I go up on it. Go places them so the people them can see it before.
Okay, that's good.
Look here, need fish.
Wait, you want to bone drop now?
Fish?
The pepper?
Nope.
So let me just eat a piece of pepper.
Yeah.
Hmm?
This is our pepper.
You just eat pepper, stand up right here, so. So, don't play with me on the food there. Let me get a piece more fish there. You bet have my finger.
Yeah.
So guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna finish devour this. I just fish left right now. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye. Bye.
Bye.